Subscribe Canadian Vlogger 63 and don't forget to press this bell icon to get all information about international students, visa updates and much more which you need.
There are numerous PDF software, but many of them are complicated to use for different purposes. Students and other people face difficulties while using that software. Simplicity makes the job easier. What software that I use for creating my assignments, filling the forms, editing and converting PDF files, and so on. So these are the questions that people ask me frequently. Well, I use MS Word, but I would mention that this software is not PDF friendly. You cannot even handle PDF file easily. So what software that I use for PDF? Let's take a tour of PDF Agile. This software is designed with simplicity in mind to help you deal with PDFs easily, quickly, and effectively. PDF Agile can help you edit, convert, and secure your files, also help you to solve many common problems, both complex and simple. With this powerful PDF editing tool, you can create PDFs that are editable, edit text. You can also add digital signature, add or remove headers, add pages number, and make compelling visual arrangements. I use this software for creating my assignments, filling out the form, creating SOPs for students, also write and design a resume for their admission, scholarship, and visa purposes. Moreover, this software allows you to take screenshot of the desired section. You can easily take screenshot by one click and save it to anywhere in the hard drive. And also sometimes people face difficulties while writing their signature. This software allows you to add your electronic signature as well. You can add your signature and place it anywhere in the document like I'm doing. One of the great features of this software is, in my perspective, is OCR, optical character recognition. You can easily convert your image to any text format. You can easily do that in more than 22 languages. Start identification and takes some time and boom, there you go. Easily converted into text form. You can use this text to anywhere in the document. Okay, now you can also protect your document as well. You can encrypt your document, enter password, enter your any password and just click OK. There you go, this is the software. Let's open it. Another great feature is you can convert your PDF to any other document or any other file as well, like PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, PDF to image, PPT, CAD, PDF, merge PDF and split PDF, more other functions as well. So I'm gonna convert this PDF into Word file. There you go. This is in Word file. You can also use free templates for other purposes like any wish card, invoice template as well. There are numerous templates, you can check that out. You will find beautiful templates, you can use them for free. There are many other converting options too. You can download this software. Moreover, you can visit their official website to convert your PDF files for free. Use this redeem code to get Pro version for 1 month for free. Sounds good? Get it now. इससे बेहतर क्या हो सकता है कि आप कनाडा शिफ्ट हो सकें विदाउट अ जॉब ऑफर। यस गाइस, कनाडा ने ओंटारियो इमिग्रेंट्स नॉमिनी प्रोग्राम लॉन्च किया था जिसमें काफ़ी रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं, जॉब की, एजुकेशन की, लैंग्वेज रिक्वायरमेंट्स और दूसरे भी हैं कुछ। बट जॉब इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड पार्ट ऑफ एनी इमिग्रेशन प्रोग्राम। ये काफ़ी एक्टिव प्रोग्राम है कनाडा का ओंटारियो में सेटल होने के लिए, विच इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रोविंस इन कनाडा। सो ये कैसे पॉसिबल हो सकता है, कैसे अप्लाई करेंगे इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू, ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन आई एम गोना टेल इन दिस वीडियो. सो सिट बैक एंड रिलैक्स एंड वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड टू गेट स्टेप बाय स्टेप इंफॉर्मेशन. So subscribe the channel now so that you can receive the latest video notification. So let's get started. Here we go. If you wish to settle in Ontario and do not have a job offer of employment, you may still submit an application under the Ontario Express Entry Human Capital Priorities Stream. What is Human Capital Priorities Stream? This stream is designed for foreign skilled workers who would like to work permanently settle in Ontario. It allows the province to search for and nominate eligible candidates who have submitted a profile using Federal Express Entry Pool and who meet the language, work experience, and several other criteria necessary to enter the provincial labor market. A job offer is therefore not required, but you must have an active Express Entry profile and meet requirements set by Ontario, such as having work experience in targeted occupation or sectors. So now question is how to apply an application under this stream, and what is this? Ontario's Human Capital Priorities Stream targets foreign skilled workers in Express Entry Pool with the necessary education, work experience, language proficiency, and other characteristics to settle and become economically established in this province. This stream is to be considered under this popular Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program ONIP stream. काफ़ी लोगों को कनाडा में अप्लाई करने के लिए एज अ वर्क परमिट जॉब हासिल करने के लिए काफ़ी दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ता है, और ONIP प्रोग्राम जिसमें ये स्ट्रीम अनाउंस की है कनाडा ने ओंटारियो में, स्पेशली फॉर दोज पीपल हु डू नॉट हैव जॉब ऑफर, वो स्टिल अपनी प्रोफाइल सबमिट कर सकते हैं अंडर दिस स्ट्रीम. सो नाउ व्हाट आर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर दिस प्रोग्राम? वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. Full-time work consists of at least 30 hours of work over a period of 1 week in one job and consists of at least 1560 hours of paid employment in 1 year. यानी कि आपके पास at least 1560 hours का paid employment work experience 1 साल का होना चाहिए. अगर पार्ट टाइम की बात करें, टॉक अबाउट द पार्ट टाइम वर्क एट मिनिमम 15 hours of work over a period of 1 week in one job and consists of 1560 hours of paid employment in 2 years, or at least 30 hours of work over a period of 1 week in multiple jobs and consist of at least 1560 hours of paid employment in 1 year. If we talk about the education, Canadian bachelor's or master's or PhD degree or an educational credential assessment ECA report produced by a designated organization indicating that the foreign education credential is equivalent to a Canadian bachelor's, master's or PhD. I have already mentioned in this video that how you can convert your education into Canadian system via ECA. You should watch this video to do this. आपको आपकी एजुकेशन को कैनेडियन एजुकेशन के अकॉर्डिंग लाजमी होना चाहिए. सो मैंने इस वीडियो में जो आई बटन पे मैंने अभी आपको शो की है, इसमें मैंने कंप्लीट डिटेल्स में बताया हुआ है कि कैसे आप अपनी एजुकेशन को कैनेडियन स्टाइल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. So if we talk about the language requirement, you need IELTS or CLB 7 bands. So what is the process to apply for this program? So step 1, satisfy eligibility criteria, which is I told you before, Federal Skilled Workers class or Canadian Experience class, जो मैं आपको ऊपर requirements mention already कर चुका हूँ मैं. Step to create an Express Entry profile on canada.ca. It is very easy. You can easily create your profile on canada.ca, just providing the basic information, and you can easily create your account there. Third step, put your information there of ONIP. अपनी ONIP की प्रोफाइल की डिटेल्स आपने वहाँ एंटर करनी है. After that, you will receive NOI, notification of interest from the ONIP. यानी कि वो आपकी प्रोफाइल को देखने के बाद आपको एक नोटिफिकेशन भेजेंगे, इंटरेस्ट का नोटिफिकेशन के वो आपकी प्रोफाइल में इंटरेस्टेड हैं, उसका आपको नोटिफिकेशन भेजेंगे. Then step 5, apply to the ONIP under the Human Capital Priority Stream within 45 calendar days after receiving a NOI from Ontario. Then step 6, if nominated candidate obtain a nomination approval letter and an ONIP certificate for nomination by email, candidates have 30 calendar days to accept the nomination in the Express Entry system. Then step 7 is if nomination is accepted, express entry candidates are awarded an additional 600 CRF points and an invitation to apply ITE for permanent residence at a future draw from the pool. Then last step is submit an application for Canadian permanent residence to IRCC within 60 days of receiving the ITA. सो ये सारे स्टेप्स हैं, ये जो आपको फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे जब आप अप्लाई करेंगे. Now, what is the cost to apply for this application? The application fee is $1,500 and covers the cost of processing your application. So now, what are the occupations, targeted occupations in which you can apply? First is software engineering and designers, NOC 2173. Second, computer programmers and interactive media developers, NOC 2174. Third is computer engineer, NOC 2147. Fourth is web designers and developers, NOC 2175. Database analysts and data administrator, NOC 2172. Last is computer and information system managers, NOC 0213. All these occupations are under in IT tech sector. So that was all information, guys. I have given all the links below in description. You can check that out. You can easily apply to this program. So if you need further information, you can contact me on Instagram or you can comment down below. I'll guide you further. So take care, guys.
So that's all. I think I've covered everything. If you want to get some information or any query, just comment down, send me mail, and must follow me on Instagram. For fast reply, follow me on Instagram. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and must share every information with others.